I'm an architect. I'm a lighting designer. I'm working with dynamic lighting since 2005, and I love light. I am very happy to work with light. I'm very specialist in the facades, lighting designing, and I use RGB LEDs, LEDs from Since, and I do interior lighting too, but I have the experience of working of the lighting projects in all the process. I design the process, I do the development, I do the wiring diagrams, I do the plans, then the content, the shows, and I'm very interested of new ways of light, new interactive lighting designing, and the value, the add value that light can give to the people. I think light, it's not only light, it's light plus value. And light gives a better light, a better life to the people. And that's fantastic to do something for everyone else. I've worked with Ellie Sirling in Argentina. She's a very good lighting designer there. She's one of the first architects and lighting designers that work there. I study with her. She's very passionate woman to light, and she learned to me the basics. And then I was very interested in light. I am always been investigating, and all days of my life I opened the computer, and I am looking for new technologies, looking for new projects, looking for new ways to do lighting. So this is what I do. I am investigating how to connect people with light in a different form. I want to look for new values, in Latin American cities, because I'm an Argentinian and I work in many cities in Latin America doing lighting projects, and I think that there's a lot to do there. A lot of things that I see here and I see in other places, I think that we can do there, and my daily work is that it's working on new ways of lighting, new perfect buildings where the light is like magic, and each project, it's a new magic. Each project can give you a different way of feeling. I think that light changed the mood, changed the life. I'm a teacher too, and I think that my work, I've been teaching. I am teaching now, but I've been in the University of Buenos Aires for the past 15 years. And I think that my daily work on lighting designing give me the tools to teach, to demonstrate to the next architects of the future that light, the importance of light in architecture. I think that is the most I can do. Give my love of light, the passion that I have in lighting to others, to the guys that will design the future. too. I grew up with LEDs. I work with LEDs since 2005. At first, they were used, Colorkinetics were used only in facades, and I was very, very happy, and it's very funny for me to work with those tools, those minimal tools that bring me the possibility to do things that before they can't be done. So I am very interested on the technology, and this word is fantastic because each month you have new things. So it's fantastic, yes. I love technology. I came here to looking for tools to do interacting, yeah, from light to the people. Yeah, I think that value that I mentioned before is the value not only to give you security in public space or in interiors, the value of light to give you comfort light, and to give you a better life. So I think that interactivity gives you happiness because you identity, you appropriate of the buildings, you feel that you are living with the building. So I think it doesn't give you something wrong. It's win-win. It's always a good stuff to live and a good experience. Something that is very important to us and we work all days on is the maintenance, yeah, through the time. We do installation. I work with a company that is a partner with Colorkinetics that tell me the tools, give me the tools to develop some projects, and they ask, and the client is very interested on the future or the maintenance of the buildings, and now more and more and more they ask us for the maintenance. That means that we go each 2 months or 3 months to clean, and they are very interesting to change the contents. And in terms of efficiency of lighting, they are very interesting in the ROI, in the return of investment. And they're very interested to save energy. So now the technology gives you the possibility to be very efficient. So that's very important, yes. All of our feelings about light and the way we live, we feel light, and all the people, I think, feel light, is in reference of the nature, in reference of the sun. That's great. We react to the nature. We can create a lot of technology, artificial technology. We can create artificial lighting designing, artificial lighting content, but there are patterns that we accept. For example, if you repeat a step, we as a human being, we got bored. We are not comfortable. That's because the nature is not always repeating the same pattern. So the same with the color. We feel cold when we see warm light. but it's not warm. It's a sensation. The impact of the light in the human being is so powerful. That's one of the big lights that are inside me that I think they are gorgeous of the light in designing. The world needs a master plan. I think that everybody do something, but there is not a plan. The cities are not organized. I think that we need to work together for the same way, to the same way. And I think that the individual's project, there is a lot of people that have very good intentions, but the individual projects need to be to the same way, to worry about human, always worried about human. And the business sometimes invites you and don't let you go to the right way. So I think that it's very good to meet all the lighting designers, to meet as professionals from each cities to hear their visions and to reach each other ideas. Yeah. I'm Sabrina. I am a lighting designer.